kids! Are you ready to learn some super cool science facts? Let's dive into 5 amazing things about our world. Fact 1. The sun! Did you know that the sun is a gigantic ball of hot glowing gas? It's so big that you could fit over 1 million Earths inside it. Fact 2. The ocean. Here's a splashy fact. The ocean is home to the largest animal on Earth, the blue whale. It can grow as long as 2 school buses. Fact 3. The moon. The moon is covered in craters from space rocks. Even though it looks smooth, it's really bumpy up close. Fact 4. Plants. Plants are like tiny superheroes. They make their own food from sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. They help keep our air clean too. Fact 5. Dinosaurs. Last but not least, dinosaurs roamed the earth millions of years ago. Some were as small as a chicken, and others were as tall as a building. Wasn't that awesome? If you loved these cool science facts, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun and exciting science adventures. See you next time!
Sun is shining bright. The sun's a giant ball. It's warm and glowing, lighting up us all. In the deep blue sea, the whale is swimming free. So big and mighty, as big as can be. Let's sing about science. Oh, what a thrill. With facts that make us laugh and give us a chill. From the moon's craters to plants so green, science is fun. Let's see what we can dream. The moon's got craters. It's bumpy and round. It's dancing in the sky. It's up and it's down. Plants make their own food from the sunlight's ray, keeping our world fresh every single day. Let's sing about science. Oh, what a thrill. With facts that make us laugh and give us a chill. From the moon's craters to plants so green, science is fun. Let's see what we can dream. Dinosaurs were giants, walking long ago. Some were tiny, some were tall. They all put on a show. Science is amazing. Let's learn and play. Every day's an adventure. Hip, hip, hooray. Let's sing about science. Oh, what a thrill. With facts that make us laugh and give us a chill. From the moon's craters